Does your toolbox look like this? Searching for the right zip tie just to bundle a few cables together? Hi, it's Zach here at CableWholesale.com. In today's video, we wanted to introduce one of our new and super cool products in our line of Eclipse tools, the Quick Zip tool. This Quick Zip tool will save you both time and money as it makes custom-sized cable ties for any application. This tool replaces multiple zip ties in your toolbox and trying to fish out the right size for just a simple cable bundle. Now, let's take a closer look at this handy tool. This Quick Zip cable tie toolkit comes with Quick Zip tool, of course, a 50-foot spool of tie material, 200 locking clips, and 5 drywall anchor plugs. Now let's put this tool into action. You bought a variety pack of zip ties, but of course the one time you needed a larger one, you used them all and only have small ones left. So what do? With this Quick Zip tool, you can customize the length without wasting any zip ties again. Sometimes if you don't cut the zip ties flush, they get sharp and can be dangerous. Quick Zip tool makes every cut smooth, so you won't have to worry about those pinches again. Having to clean up after and pick up those small individual pieces of tails on the floor? With the Quick Zip tool, the ties are precisely the size you need. There is no waste or cleanup needed after you use the tool. Once you get this home and see how useful it is for any application, you will need more tie material and ends. Cable Wholesale has got you covered. We carry these in both black and neutral colors. To refill the ends, simply open up the top, slide the refill packet in, and slide this back out. Insert the end. You're ready to go. To refill the spool, simply detach the spool, pop it open, take out your empty spool. This is not quite empty. Pop in your replacement spool, close it back up, and reattach to the barrel. There you have it. You're all ready to go. The Zip Tie Toolkit is a great and handy tool to have for really any application. To purchase any of these parts, check out our website. If you have any questions, our tech support is here to help, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Pacific by phone and live chat on our website. Send us your questions or any suggestions for products or videos to our email, or visit us on our social media sites, or just simply leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time.